This is my 2005 Cbr 600RR. As of right now, has a stock exhaust on it, which is absolutely terrible. Weighs about 50 pounds, and it goes all the way down. Some things got to be taken off. The rear set's got to be taken off. Then there's that heat shield. People can't see. Once that's taken off, this is a Two Brothers carbon fiber exhaust. If you look at it right now, it's pretty long. That shit sticks all the way outside the tail, and it looks absolutely disgusting. So what I'm actually going to do is I'm probably going to cut it about right here and move this all the way up, and then that's going to go into the tail. So then pretty much the tail will be still right here, and the exhaust will be right there. So it's going to be perfect. So just stay tuned. And that bike will have that exhaust on it. Alright, so pretty much you got to take off all this. Still attached, obviously, because you don't want to spill the brake line fluid, and then you get air in the system, and then you can't do nothing about it. So that's off. Took the battery out just to get this cover a little loose. Nothing under here. There we go. Exhaust is off. It's actually sitting right there. Take all this off. Side panels. There's a bolt right here that actually holds on this piece right here, this heat shield. The bolt actually goes right there. But yeah, the heat shield came off. All that's off. So pretty much that's what the bike looks like. Probably really loud. I'm not even going to try it because I'm in a garage right now. But yeah, we're going to take this apart and we're going to start cutting it. Stay tuned for part 3. Alright, now that we got the rivets drilled out, this is all ready to be separated. So what you're going to do, you take it, and you're going to pull this right out of the exhaust. Like that. That's all the packing. Remove all that packing, you know how loud it's going to be. There's the pipe right here. Get you some light so you can look down it. And that is the exhaust. So let's see how short we're going to make it. Two Brothers. Need any help? Feel free to call me or text me, one of the two. Alright, so here we go. Pretty much cut everything down, and that's the size of the exhaust now. This is all the extra packing that came out of it, and the piece. So just think about that thing being like that long. What the hell is the point in that? So now, couple of rivets, rivet gun, grinder. This is a piece that was in the middle. This goes and gets wrapped up in this stuff right here. It's like Brillo. It's kind of like Brillo. So that goes in there like that, that goes in there like that, and then this slides over. So now we're going to take this, we're going to fit it to that bike. Stay tuned. Alright, so pretty much all this, actually had to cut up part of my heat shield. Whole bunch of stuff everywhere. So yeah, I had to cut up my heat shield because the guy I bought the exhaust from did not have any brackets. So now, as you can see, let's get some light on the subject. The exhaust is installed. Sides are back on. I mean, if you look at the fit, that's the way exhaust should fit. Now with the 6-foot long fucking piece of carbon fiber. Look at this. Do you understand how much longer this is? Let's put that on the corner. Let's see. So yeah, exhaust would be that fucking long. What the hell is the point in that? So yeah, I cut it. Fits perfect. If you guys need measurements, hit me up. ChrisE69 at Verizon.net. I'll give you the measurements. This is for my boy Dave, who actually passed away on a motorcycle. That's from my other exhaust when I had a 954. He had cut that exhaust for me. But yeah, man, this is for Dave Bruno. Rest in peace, kid. Alright, so pretty much the bike is back together. As you can tell, everything's back on. Let's get a good look. Look at that. Perfect. Everything's back together. And yes, you have to put the heat shield back on. If you don't, you're definitely gonna burn your leg. There you go. Nice and clean. Honestly, all the shit I took off. This thing weighs 100 fucking pounds. Like, listen to that thing. It's a big piece of garbage. Fuck you, Honda, for putting that garbage on. But she is officially done. Again, one more shot. Give you guys a little taste how it sounds. There you go. You have officially been pimped.